So the next step of edges first is to solve the top edges. And the first part to doing that is making all the yellow or opposite from the bottom edges facing up. So in my case, it's yellow. There's 3 cases you can get while doing this. The first case looks like this, where there's no edges facing up, or just a dot in the middle. And you can solve all these cases using one algorithm that looks like this. So using that algorithm will give you like an L shape. If you put it up here, do the algorithm one more time, it'll give you a line. Make sure to keep it horizontal, and it'll give you the plus sign on top. The next case you can get is like an L shape, where there's 2 edges that are next to each other, and just do the algorithm twice. The last case you can get is a line. Now, make sure you keep the line horizontal and just do the algorithm once. And that's the first part of that step done. Well, the yellow edges are popping up on top. They're not in the right place. So now your next algorithm is going to look like this. And what that algorithm does is swap these 3 pieces. So this one's going to go here, this one's going to go here, and this green and yellow edge is going to go right here. And so you can do that cycle until they look right. So for example, my blue is solved. Now if I do the algorithm once, that green's going to go here, the red's going to go here, and the orange will go here, which will in hindsight solve it. Knowing how that algorithm moves the pieces around is actually pretty intuitive to solve a case that looks like this. So what you can do is just keep the 2 solved edges here and these 2 on this side. And you can do the algorithm once, switching these edges around, solve your front piece again, rotate to the back, and then do the algorithm 2 more times to flip these edges. So this one will end up here.